In today's body checklist, what if you could sleep your way skinny? Would you go to bed earlier? Rachel Kaye explains why you should in today's body checklist.
Dr. Craig Schwimmer, Medical Director and CEO of the Snoring Center, joins us via Skype. Good morning. And you say sleep is what we need to do to slim down.
Absolutely.
And why is that?
All sorts of metabolic housekeeping occurs while we sleep, and if we don't get enough sleep, we suffer in many ways, and weight gain is just one of them.
Now, do naps help or hurt when it comes to losing weight?
What's important is that you get enough sleep. Ideally, you'd get your sleep at night. If you don't, you need to catch up. A nap is fine.
So we could take a bunch of naps and lose like 5 pounds?
Well, look, it's diet, exercise, and sleep. And that's the whole thing is that, diet and exercise are crucially important, but so is sleep. And if you're serious about losing weight, meeting your body's need for sleep is a great way to help achieve it.
And would you say like eating a snack before bed is a good thing or a bad thing?
It depends. You certainly don't want to have a big meal because heartburn or reflux can really mess with your sleep. But if you're hungry, a little snack, complex carbohydrates is just fine.
Thank you so much, Dr. Schwimmer. And go to bodychecklist.com before you head to bed for more sleep tips.